My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2019 Mercedes-Benz A-Class. This vehicle has done just under 68,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a petrol fuel type. To the left of the steering wheel we have voice control as a feature, and on our right we have cruise control. Moving on to our screen, we can access our key features using the buttons just below, which include navigation and map, radio and media, Bluetooth, and our favourite. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. Just below the screen, we have our AC. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that all of the seats have a black leather trim. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.